Welcome back to Aviana-Legacy collection. And today we are going to be reading Don't Push the Button by Bill Cotter. Let's get started. Come on, I would love if you could read along with me. But, I almost forgot. But first, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Let's go and start. Hi, my name's Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what will happen if we pushed it. No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst, no one is looking. You should give the button one little push. Ding, ding. Ah, now I'm yellow. Push it again. Ding. Eek, eek. Now I'm yellow and polka dots. Push it twice. Ding, ding. No, there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Ding, 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 ding. Uh-oh. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Shake, 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 shake. Almost. A little more. Shake, 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 shake. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Scratch, scratch, scratch. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. The end. Thank you for reading along with me. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye. Bye. Hi guys, thank you for reading along with me. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Bye. I'm off to school now.